In the digital age, the ability to watermark media without denigrating the quality has become more and more important, which brings us to Steganographic technologies. Steganography is the art of hidden messages. It comes from the Greek steganos, meaning concealed or protected, and graphi, meaning a word that makes you sound really smart. So in today's world, steganographic tools are used to watermark media for copyright assertion, for audience measurement, and for forensic tracking of content. Here's a demo. Right?
Content can either be embedded with a digital watermark, providing it with a unique identity, or a fingerprint of the content can be extracted for later identification. The technology, which is often applied in the final stages of production, delivers an immediate deterrent against illicit distribution. Even if filmed on a camcorder, this technology will enable you to trace illicit copies back to an individual subscriber, allowing for new business offerings such as early release premium VOD movies. World leader in content identification solutions, Civolution helps you identify, manage, and monetize your media assets.
So that's a look at the intellectual property aspect of this innovation. Here's a look at how Nielsen, the scorekeeper of your industry, uses steganographic techniques.
Nielsen measures television audiences in 40,000 panelist households 24/7, 365 days a year. This audience measurement process is what determines U.S. TV audience estimates on which TV ratings are based. Multi-level watermarking technology uses inaudible codes that broadcast, cable, and local stations embed in TV content. Sophisticated meters installed in Nielsen panel homes collect these codes for crediting purposes. And this technology worked great until new digital devices and services came along that changed how consumers can watch TV programming. With video on demand, browser viewing, mobile apps, and other ways of watching TV content available, audio watermarks needed to be capable of measuring across multiple platforms. To solve the problem, Nielsen created a breakthrough: advanced audio watermarking technology that can measure audiences today wherever consumers are viewing TV content. Even better, this technology is also compatible with next-generation meters that measure commercials and other creative. Now broadcast and cable networks, their affiliates, and advertisers have even more robust measurement that ensures content and commercials are identified and credited across the media ecosystem. The end result? Total audience reporting. Nielsen delivers both ratings and monetization to digital viewing, improving how we measure and understand the global consumer today and tomorrow.
All right, tonight we will be awarding Emmy statuettes to 4 companies for this achievement. First is the one that started it all, Digimarc. Their Chief Technology Officer, Tony Rodriguez, is here to accept the trophy. Thank you, sir. How are you, Tony? Congratulations.
Thank you. Wow. So, that's big, and I can't wait to take that through TSA. First of all, I'd like to thank the Academy for recognizing the vital role that steganographic technologies play in identifying and protecting really the fruits of this industry's efforts, and also enabling a new world of multi-screen applications. I'm really honored to be here and accept this on behalf of Digimarc. It's been 20 years since our founder, a brilliant gentleman by the name of Jeff Rhodes, started the company, and we've been under the leadership of our CEO, Bruce Davis, for most of that time. But this is really a testament to the passions and energies and dedication of our world-class engineers and scientists that really started with the technology in the early 90s and really helped build this industry. Finally, it is really, really rewarding to be here and to accept this in the presence of our partners, Civolution, Nielsen, and Verance. All of us are working together to really push the envelope and create new solutions for movie studios, production companies, television networks, advertisers, and consumer goods companies. So it's a delight to be here and accept this with them. Congratulations to you guys, too. Thank you.
Nicely done. Congratulations, Tony. Now please welcome the Chief Engineer of the Nielsen Company, Arun Lamas. Thank you, sir. Arun, there you
I'd like to thank the Academy for this honor. Deeply humbled to receive this award on behalf of Nielsen. You know, several years ago, we had this inspiration to look at watermarking as means to solve some of the challenges that we were facing back then, digital television, on-demand viewing, and time-shifted viewing. And, you know, it is so gratifying today when we look at the impact. Not only have we solved those issues, we've also come to a point where this particular technology that we created is now the main engine for content identification across the entire TV rating spectrum. Not only that, we can now detect commercials, we can look at campaigns, we can look at effectiveness of campaigns, and off late we can also look at detections of these watermarks across mobile devices, something that allows us to, for example, produce a total audience metric for our clients. I have to thank our clients because without them we couldn't have implemented this. That feedback across our journey has been invaluable. And even today, they are partnering with us to figure out new ways to implement our watermark. And finally, a shout out for folks that actually made it happen. Our engineers and technologists, our operation folks, and also our commercial and product teams that work with our clients to make this technology a reality. So thank you so much.
Well done. Good job. Next, we honor Civolution. Accepting the Emmy is their chairman, Alex Terpstra. Alex? Thank you. How are you? Heavier than you think. Congratulations.
Thank you, Academy and the jury members for this wonderful award. And we will now forgive you for the torture of having us wait so long between the original announcement and actually taking the Emmy here. So we're incredibly proud to receive this award, which we consider a true recognition from the television industry for what our company and our team has achieved over the past years. What started out as a technology that had and still has its biggest impact in the movie industry, helping to address content piracy in a new and non-disruptive way, already for several years, has now clearly made its entry in the television industry and will continue to do so in several years to come, and we believe we have a great future ahead of us. We are a relatively small company in this industry. We are a European company, European headquarters, but we enjoy working with the world's largest media companies, leading companies in the television space, production companies, distributors, equipment manufacturers, other partners, many of them here in the room here today, and we feel incredibly proud to be amongst you all here this evening. So for us, being that company, winning this award is a huge statement, and I thank each and every employee and team member of our company to help us get where we are, for their incredible dedication to our company. I want to call out one person in particular by name, and that's the guy that's standing next to me, our CTO, Jaap Heidsma, who has been the driving force behind our technology and our products from the very beginning. And of course, I also need to thank our shareholders and our board members for their support over the years. And I'd like to close with just a personal note. Being an entrepreneur in this industry, doing what we're doing is really a lot of fun, and we love doing it. But it's also hard work, as many of you know, and a lot of traveling around the world, which is not always that fun for the family. So to my lovely wife and daughter, I love you guys, and this award is also for you.
Congratulations. Thank you. Nicely done. Okay, last but not least, Verance is to receive an Emmy also. Accepting is Joe Winograd, Executive Vice President and Chief Technology Officer. Joe. Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
I'm pleased to accept this award on behalf of my Verance colleagues. I'm joined here by Rade Petrovic and Dean Angelico, who for 2 decades have been leading advances in the science of watermarking and delivering commercial solutions for variants. The intellect, tenacity of Rade, Dean, and all of our variants colleagues have made this technology an essential tool for media and entertainment companies around the world. Our latest work done this past year with within the ATSC, who's also being recognized here tonight, has been to establish the world's first open architecture for automated content recognition. This new approach upends the existing ACR paradigm, connecting programmers and their television audience directly, similar to digital. We're deeply grateful to the many industry visionaries who've been champions of our solutions and continue to. I see many of you are here tonight. We thank you for your support, and to the Academy for granting Verance this honor tonight.
Well done. Congratulations to you all.